Foshan RUINIU Clothing Company Limited, located in Nanhai, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, is a powerful manufacturer specialized in manufacturing down parka, hard shell jacket, soft shell jacket, 3-in-1, windbreaker, padded jacket, ski parka, outdoor pant. Over the past 10 years, SG has accumulated many excellent suppliers of fabrics and accessories, as well as advanced garment production technology. We have a complete management system, professional team, and experienced works so that we can arrange production activities scientifically. At the same time, one-to-one filing order service ensures product quality and delivery time. In order to ensure the customer's delivery on time and zero delay, we continue to introduce automatic cutting machines, computer template line machines, automatic carousel machines, automatic filling machines, laser machines, hand melt glue machines, and other advanced equipments. We provide our customers with the following services: sample development, fabric and accessories procurement, printing and embroidery, laser seamless, and other integrated services throughout the production supply chain. We also provide OEM and customization services for enterprises at home and abroad, and a number of famous clothing brands such as Nepping, 88. With regard to production capacity, SKIR contracted cooperative factories to make the company's production capacity larger to meet customers' needs. In the past 20 years, we have never stopped pursuing high-quality products step by step. Customers and friends, please believe that choosing SG is the most sensible choice and the most secure cooperation for you.